it's not it's not a nice thing for a keeper when you make that mistake. And okay, it's 1-1, but as a keeper, you know what you did wrong, and we could have lost the game with that. So yeah, he's really down for the moment, but yeah, I will see how he's in the next days. But you can't if you feel that he's not really ready to play that game on Tuesday, then you can't put him because the risk is there that he make a mistake again. So for a keeper, it's very important, even more than for a field player, that he's mentally good, because you know sometimes he has to do two things, and it was today what it was. What did he have to do? Really nothing, or really nothing. But for the 1 or 2 or 3 things he had to do, there was one mistake, and that is not a happy thing for a coach, for a goalkeeper. So we will see. We will see how he is tomorrow and after tomorrow, and we will see for Tuesday.